yeah, yeah. Nailed the screenshot too. Nailed it. Wow, this is good. Oh man, this. Hold on a sec, guys. I need to breathe. Okay. You unlock Dragon. Look, Jake in a star outfit. Look perfect. You're a beast, Jake. You're a freaking beast. Let's take you on the course out in San Francisco and see how much of the real deal it is. Oh, it's beautiful. I'll get a head start in there too. It deserves it. It deserves to waste one of my 1,675 head starts. Oh yeah. I am so fulfilled right now. Life is nearly complete. All I need to do now is unlock everything in the game. And I'm well on my way to doing that, guys. Just watch out. God, it just makes me wanna... Oh. Wow, I love this board so much. All it needs is a speed upgrade. And then I'm golden, man. You guys know I like my speed. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful moment in the Subway Surfer life of KDM. That legit beast life that I live. So I came home from work and saw this video on my subscription feed unlocking this great board. His name is Marcelo. I'll put his channel link in the description since he inspired me to get it. I think he speaks Portuguese. I actually am Portuguese myself, but I don't speak it because I'm in America, English only. But yeah, anywho, let me know what you guys think about this Dragon Beast and your legit beast KDM in the comments section. I read all the comments because I'm a beast, a YouTubing beast that likes to interact with you guys. Fine, you know what? I got my fill. I got my Dragon Beast fill. Okay, I don't need any more. That's cool. Alright guys, that was the unlocking of the Dragon Hunt special on the Subway Surfers app. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you had a good day, and are gonna have a good day, and a good week, and a good month, and a good year. See you guys next time.